Hello guys, the new MOC is here. It's a car and it has his background, which is the rotating podium like you can see on the car show, and it's really working. Okay, this is the car. It looks really sporty. You see this going up line is really nice, and it has a diffuser in the front, and it has exhaust pipes, which is honestly it's a binoculars, but it works perfectly. You can fit the flames in it, as you can see. You see now, a really big grill on it, and one-seater car also, and it can flip over the seat, and it has also the handbrake. The wheel and some commands, you could see them better from this angle. This is the front, and it has a diffuser. You see, really nice part. And this would be a podium for the car. You see, it rotates, and it has a good lighting. You see, and something like a funny part, really mighty car can go just 50 miles per hour or kilometers. It needs to fly over the road. And here we can maybe see the price of the car, performances, and something else, I don't know. And just to show you something else, here is my new minifigs, the lizard guy and the zookeeper girl. And my favorite is the lizard guy because it's really nice. It has something in it. A little bit of eyes we can see. No back print, one-sided face. And that would be the lizard guy. Here is our zookeeper girl. She's really nice. With a nice back. No back printing also, and one-sided face. But we have a monkey and banana, and banana is much bigger than a monkey, but monkey is still really small. It's a baby monkey. And just to say, my channel has changed its name to a Lego Dreamer, and it has a new profile picture, and it's this sleepy guy. I would really like to get him, but I didn't see it on eBay or Flickr or some other sites. And this would be all for my car MOC, and comment and subscribe. Goodbye, guys.